guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just can't nonchalantly just act like I have not been gone for literally a year. Well, more than that, I think, since my last video, which was some makeup tutorial. Obviously, I look very different than the last time you saw me. I am no longer blonde and I have longer hair thanks to my sew-in extensions. But the blonde era is over. We are back to my brunette natural hair color. But the elephant in the room, where have I been for the last year? I have not disappeared from social media. I've honestly just disappeared from YouTube. And there's a bunch of different reasons for that, which, I mean, we can get into, we don't have to get into, but long story short, I just felt like what I wanted to do, wasn't something people are still doing on YouTube anymore, which is sad. YouTube as a platform has changed, as has everything. Everything evolves. Instagram isn't even technically a photo sharing app anymore. There's just a lot that has gone on with social media since the introduction of TikTok, which if you guys, here's a shameless plug, if you guys don't follow me, I do post on there daily, and I will have all my socials listed below with links if you guys want to follow me there. I don't know the plan for this channel. I haven't really thought too much about that. I've just been dying to sit in front of the camera again and film a YouTube video. I'm unsure as to where this is going to go. I would like to come back and kind of just do reviews for you guys because I miss doing that. Makeup tutorials will probably be on the minimum. They probably will be once in a very blue moon just because those are not things people watch anymore. I do want to talk about other things besides makeup. So clothes, styling outfits, perfume. I've literally gone through this perfume obsession recently. I just bought the new Viktor and Rolf Good Fortune. I bought the biggest bottle. It is so cute. The packaging is adorable. I'm going to get it. Can we discuss this? This is gorgeous. It smells so good. I've only had it for probably 2 months now. And look at how far. I'm almost halfway through the bottle. So it is very much loved. It's a very good fragrance. Does it smell kind of old lady? A little bit, but I kind of like that. Another recent perfume that I got, if you guys care, is the new Prada perfume. They only had 2 left and they were the smallest bottles, and I'm literally almost halfway done with that one also. I just love perfume. It's just my thing, but I can kind of do a perfume collection video if you guys care to see that. I want to know what you guys are interested in. I've been begged to come back to YouTube. I cannot even post a TikTok without someone being like, why are you not on YouTube? Are you coming back to YouTube? Please come back to YouTube. So I'm like, okay, fine. I'll come back. But let's talk a little bit about my life update. What is going on with me? Where is my life at? What am I doing? So on and so forth. So for my job, last time I've been on here, I think I did mention that social media is a full-time job now. It has been my full-time job for 2 years and a couple of months, which is so crazy to me. This is the dream that I've always wanted. So I am doing TikTok full-time. I post 1 or 2 videos every day. Instagram, I try to post a post every day. Sometimes I don't, but I like to go out, take photos and stuff like that. You guys can follow me on Instagram also. It'll be linked down below. Try to post on my stories every single day, and obviously my other forbidden site, which is just whatever, I'm still doing that. So career-wise, I'm doing really, really well. Other than that, I'm in therapy. I feel like maybe you guys don't need to know that, but I am. I'm in therapy now. I've been going through a lot of stuff behind the scenes. I don't really bring it to light on social media just because I feel like social media is my escape from my real life, which is I'm still me on my social media, but it's just where I don't have to talk about my daily things I deal with every single day. And it's just no need to. It's just my world to escape to. And I can get into those things in other videos if you guys really feel that that's something you guys want to know. But yes, mental health wise, my mental health has kind of plummeted, but I am so happy because I have not let it consume me. I've not let my mental health consume me. I've still got up every day out of this bed and I've worked so hard. I will make sure I take pictures every day and I don't fall off the radar. So I've not let my mental health kind of destroy my career, because now my career is kind of taking off and I'm not going to ruin that again. So there is that. Mental health, terrible. You guys obviously see physical changes. I haven't really had any surgeries. I was supposed to have bottom surgery September of last year, but I ended up canceling it. I did not like the plastic surgeon who was doing the outside. I felt very uncomfortable by him, and that's another whole story I can do a video on, but safe to say they did actually let that guy go. So I'm happy about that. And bottom surgery is not off the table. It's just, as of right now, it's just not something I'm super interested in. I have really kind of done like a whole 180, and I love my body. I love the way that I look. I feel really confident, and I haven't felt this way in a very, very, very long time. I gained weight during COVID. If you guys look at my last video, I was heavier then. Like, I was 30 pounds heavier than I am right now. I was extremely unhealthy. I was extremely unhappy, and I was just eating. Like, that was my way to cope with things, is I was eating. So I went on this, not crash diet, because that's like that's not what happened, but like, I feel like that's what I want to say. I started working out crazy. I was going to the gym twice a day. I was like doing a lot of cardio, doing a lot of like squats, doing a lot of just working out, and I felt really good. Like, my mental health kind of got better when I was working out. And I've since kind of slowed down. I got into like a really unhealthy obsession with it. It was beginning to the point where I was like, oh, I can't have, ice cream ever. I can't have, a dessert ever. I can only eat healthy. I can only eat salads. I can only eat greens. I can only eat protein. And it just became like a whole obsession I had in my mindset, and it became really unhealthy. So I've kind of stepped back from that, because I was like, no, my worth does not come from my body size, nor does anybody's, but I feel good. Like, at the point that my body is at right now, like, I have a little bit of like pudge on my stomach. Like, who doesn't though? I've gotten to realize that everybody does. Like, I do not want to be like this skinny. Never. I don't think I could. Even if I wanted to, I don't think I could. I've lost 30 pounds, which, woohoo, I'm so happy. And you can see it in my face. Like, I feel like I held a lot of my weight like down here, and now gone. So I feel good about that. I did dissolve all of my lip filler and then started again. My lip filler was literally not botched. I don't want to say that. Just been getting filler for a lot of years, and there was a lot of different syringes, a lot of different injectors, and I had like filler all out here, and it was bad. So now I've been going to one place in particular, and I've been getting my lips filled. I think I've had 3 syringes so far. I think 3. Don't quote me, but I think 3. And I like how they look. I want more, obviously, but that's just me. It's just what I prefer. Some people be like, oh my God, they look fine. But to me, I like have this aesthetic, and I think now being on Instagram full time and like doing social media full time, like, my appearance has become just that much more important to me. Hence why I got extensions, because I wasn't loving that my hair was so severely damaged. Definitely going to be trying to build a house within this next year, keeping fingers crossed. I'm sick of renting. I pay so much money to rent, and you get nothing out of it at the end of the deal. So it's like I could throw $60,000 out the window and be like, well, here we are. So you guys are getting a little glimpse. I don't know where most of the filming is going to take place. I just thought this was a cute background, so I was like, you know what, we're going to just film here today. The rest of my apartment is really, really cute. I could do an apartment tour. It's decorated so nicely. That's another thing of mine. I've been loving decorating. So I can do an apartment tour if that is something you guys are interested in. I don't know if people even do those anymore. But other than that, like, I'm happy, I'm healthy, and I am battling my mental health one day at a time. I did miss you guys so much, and I'm definitely going to be back. I don't know what the schedule is going to be like, so just make sure that you guys have my post notifications on everywhere. Instagram, I don't know if TikTok does post notifications, but YouTube, make sure you click the bell so you guys know every time I upload. I'm going to shoot for 1 video a week. So I want you guys to let me know in the comments what video I should film next. Don't forget I love you, and follow me on all my other socials that I post on daily. And I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, guys.